Look at this cool rolling pin I got. Is this practical at all? Oh, no. I'm gonna use this one. This is a good one. We're gonna make udon noodles from scratch. They're pretty easy. It just takes a lot of elbow grease, you know? Like, wow. I couldn't get the specific kind of flour they make in Japan, but you can use all-purpose flour. Please use a scale for this because there's a lot of things that if I tell you half a cup of water, it might not exactly be half a cup of water. It'll turn out just wrong. As you can see, I'm wearing an apron because the flour is gonna get everywhere. Good old Tammy. 300 grams of flour. I'm gonna sift this through. Water, salt. Depending on the humidity of your house, you may need more or less water. I'm gonna go slowly and knead it in. Into thirds. Again. One, two, rotate it 90 degrees. There's a few bits of flour that aren't hydrated yet, and that'll take some time, but also some more kneading as well. Alright, this looks pretty good. Take it out. Fold the dough into the center. Into a ball. Back in a bag for 2 hours. Potato starch. I may have put too much. 90 degrees. Same thing. Press down, it helps. I think I'm gonna do this on the counter. Oh my god. This is not easy. Wow. Fresh udon noodles. Oh my god. De-shell. This shell off too. Take out the vein. Back of your knife. Bottom. Sides. This is optional. Pinch. And I'm kind of pinching and pushing down. And right there. It's a shrimp prep for tempura. Alright, and the broth is really just seasoned dashi. Dashi is a very versatile stock used in Japanese cuisine. You season with soy sauce, mirin, salt. It's nothing crazy. If you are really out of time, you can use powdered dashi. The broth is very clean tasting and it's very comforting and it's not heavy.
MSG.
That's good. Why'd you shake? That's yummy. I ate this as a kid so much. It's kind of surreal to look at it right now. It's cheesy as hell. Like, that's so fast. You're gonna watch me cook for myself. So much slurp.